Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. It's been a long time since I made something with dark rum, so I did a little research and I found an interesting cocktail. It's called Kingston. It's made with dark Jamaican rum, of course, as Kingston is the capital of Jamaica. It's real easy to make, it's 4 ingredients only, and without further ado, let's make a Kingston. So the first ingredient is, of course, dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Captain Morgan, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Followed by, you wouldn't believe what, gin, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Next up is lime juice, 15 mils, half an ounce. And the last ingredient is grenadine, 7.5 mils, 1/4 of an ounce. Add ice into a shaker. And shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells good. Now we need a cool cocktail glass, of course. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our cocktail glass. Now for garnish, you can use fresh lime, but I'm going to use dehydrated lime wheel. Just drop it in, let it float. It looks beautiful. That's it, ladies and gents. Kingston. Cheers. Yeah, rum is pretty dominant in this drink. You can taste gin. You got that hint of lime, just a little hint of lime. And you can taste a little bit of grenadine, but the rum is absolutely dominant. So if you like dark rum, this one's for you. If you don't like rum, skip it. As for me personally, as I am a big fan of rum, I like this one. Yeah, it's good. And this lime smells beautiful. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Kingston. Pretty easy cocktail to make. 4 ingredients only. So you got dark rum, gin, grenadine, and some lime juice. A pretty interesting mix of ingredients. And like I always suggest, check it out, try it, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.